So here we have someone who has shoulder length hair. Oh, looks like she decided to do a DIY haircut. Oh, she went with the jaw length bob. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you are in the mood to shake things up with a brand new hairstyle, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So here we have someone who has decided to try out the money piece highlight trend. Oh, she did a great job. And then we have someone doing a DIY haircut. Looks like she decided to color her hair too. Wow, absolutely gorgeous transformation. She did a great job with color. And we have someone cutting bangs. In my humble opinion, I think the best DIY style bangs that you can do is curtain bangs. Oh, she actually did a good job with this. Wow. It's 2 a.m. and I'm cutting my bangs. So that was obviously an impulsive decision she decided to make. I like the fact that she kind of started off slow with the transformation and just kept going shorter and shorter. And she ended up doing fringe bangs. They actually look pretty good. Very nice. So next up we have someone getting a haircut from their mom. Looks like she's going with like a bob style. Very nice. She ended up getting a very nice blunt cut. Oh, very nice jaw length bob. Then we have someone at the salon. Looks like she also decided to get a bob. Oh wow, so we have someone who just got their heart broken and decided to get a lob haircut. This is gorgeous. And we have another DIYer. She's got long blonde hair. Oh wow. She looks so good as a brunette. Another DIY lob and the bob with the money piece highlights. Beautiful. Another DIY haircuts. Nice fresh lob. Okay, the back is definitely not even. I think maybe she needed a friend or somebody to help her with that one. So then we have someone with super long hair. Wow, she cut like the sides. What is the name of this haircut? I've actually been seeing that quite often. Wow, she has super long hair. This is probably the longest hair I've seen in a while. So hopefully she's donating her hair because they're all placed in ponytails. And we have a bit of a trim here. Nice classic bob. We have someone adding in red to the money piece highlights. So she already has like colored hair, like turquoise towards the roots and blonde towards the ends. So she bleached the hair and then went in with the rainbow. Oh, looks like she might be doing like a split dye combo. Oh, wow. That was so cool. I love it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. Hopefully they did inspire you to make a major hair change. If you enjoyed them, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see even more hot hairstyles and reactions, you can check out this video next.